So guys, this video was requested by someone and I decided to film it. The person called me and asked how possible is it to prepare this recipe to make a rollo without oven, and my answer was very possible. So I decided to make this recipe without oven for that person, since he requested that I should make a video and show him how to make this recipe without oven. So are you that person that don't have oven in your house and you admire this kind of recipe and you don't know how to prepare it? I got your back. So stay tuned and relax. Let me show you. And the outcome is so delicious. So keep watching, and if today is your first time watching my video, hi, click that sign that says subscribe. Turn on the notification bell so that you don't miss out whenever I upload new videos like this. I normally upload videos on weekly basis. And to my returning subscribers, thank you all so much for always coming by to watch my video. I so much appreciate you guys. So keep watching and don't forget to share your thoughts at the comment section down below. Tell me what you think. Are you gonna try this recipe? Have you ever tried the recipe without oven? What do you think about the recipe? Would you love to give it a try? A trial will convince you. This recipe did not take me nothing less than 5 minutes and everything is ready. So simple, so easy to achieve. So I would love to hear what do you think about this recipe. Just drop your comments at the comment section down below. Continue watching.